Hi, I'm Donnie Mercado. I'm a professional actor, and I created this channel to help other actors who want to thrive on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new channel on an existing Gmail address that already has a channel. You might have a channel for acting, it might be your name, and you might not want to have to log in various places. Suppose you're starting a vlog or something on a completely different topic. Maybe you also teach, maybe you want to have a faceless channel. You don't have to have a completely different Gmail address. So here's how we're going to do that. I'll show you the channel that we just started. Right here, you're looking at Dog Mom Vlogs. We just started this channel. It's brand new. We did that in the previous video, which will be linked at the end in case you need to know that information. But right here, I want to start a second channel connected to this same Gmail address. So here's what you do. You go to your profile and you say switch account. And you say view all channels. Right there. This is how you can create a second channel on that same Gmail address. So this one is already called Dog Mom Vlogs. Let's go to create channel. And let's call this one Rex and Bella's Dog Mom. Let's see, Dog Mom will probably be more searchable than Rex and Bella. So let's say Dog Mom _ Rex and Bella. I don't know. I'm toying with this. Who knows if I'll even keep it, but it is available. Dog Mom, Rex and Bella's. I love it, actually. Okay, let's keep it. So I got a green check mark, which means it was available. If it wasn't available, it would have had digits here, numbers or letters, and then I would have had to change it. In the previous example, which will be linked at the end, I put -2026 to get the name I wanted. So I'm going to click Create Channel. There you go. Now you see that this same profile, this same Gmail profile, let's go to this one. See, Dog Mom, Rex and Bella's, but if I want to switch, this same profile has switch view all channels, has 2 on it now. I can either work on Dog Mom Vlogs or Dog Mom _ Rex and Bella's under the same Gmail address. If you have any questions about what we covered today, by all means, please leave a comment. YouTube really thrives on comments. You're going to find that out the longer you're here. Again, my name is Donnie Mercado, and I'm just here to help other actors thrive on YouTube because we were literally made for this. And if you're not an actor and you're a brand new YouTuber from anywhere, welcome. You're welcome here as well. This is for everybody. All right, I'll see you in the next one. The next video that pops up will show you how to customize all of this.